Welcome. The next screen which we are going to see here is the pricing screen. So we go to the menu item pricing and we'll select one of the pricing which is ocean pricing. We click on that and the ocean pricing index screen appears. So as you can see, there is already list of all the pricing details, the page numbers which allows you to search. Here you can see there is a button called show hide which gives you the pricing line items. Now we'll get back to that. Here you can see there are details about the ocean pricing. There is an ocean price number, the date when it was created, the branch, vendor name, port of loading and destination, okay, and some other details regarding the ocean price. We can edit the ocean price by clicking on the edit button, and it allows you to edit the ocean price. So we go back to our ocean price index. Okay, so we can create a new ocean price by clicking on new ocean price here. So this already pre-fills information for us. So if you want to change any information, you can easily select the ocean price date. Okay, then the status. So normally it will be on draft initially. Now ocean prices are used in bookings. We'll get to that in a short while. This is the vendors list from which you can search the names of all the vendors. The validity from and to of this ocean price, the port of loading and the port of destination, the country name and the port of destination country name as well. So as you can see that when I selected Bangkok, it showed Thailand here. Place of receipt and place of delivery, pre-carriage, on-carriage information, via if it is direct or transshipment, the mode and other details of ocean price. You can mention the name of the employee or the staff who is creating the ocean price and some other remark details if you require. We go back to ocean pricing index. To just view the ocean price, we could just select the view button here. Now this opens up the view details of an ocean price. These details, what you see on top here, was filled from the first page. The second page of information will be filled at the ocean price line items. Now this part of ocean price is where you add the different charge heads. So if you click on add new ocean price line, it will give you a pop-up which asks for some other questions. You can select the currency of that charge, what part it belongs to, if that charges is on a freight or destination, or if it is charged on origin of that shipment, or miscellaneous charges. So when you select any part, it does reflect changes on the charge head. So based on the part, you would get those charge heads. So as you can see here, when I selected freight, it gives me the charge heads of all related to freights. When I select destination, it gives me charge heads related to destination. So I select one charge head here, and then you specify the laden container type, the price of that laden container. Then you select the empty container type if there is a requirement, and then you add in the price. So for now I'm not adding it since we already have details of the line items. You can even delete any line item or edit them. To print ocean price, here there is a print button which allows you to print the ocean price card. So as you can see here, there is a print button which gives you the ability to print the ocean price you made. Similarly, we have another module which is inland pricing. Now this is another type of pricing which is for inland shipments and cargoes. It also has similar details to what you have seen in ocean pricing. It even has ocean pricing type lines, which is called as inland pricing line items. Then there is port pricing. Port pricing has two types of line items, which is port lines and storage lines. So we click on view on port pricing. So as you can see here that there are different charge heads for port price line, and for storage port price line there are other charge heads which is not added for now in this port pricing. You can easily add it by clicking on add new port storage price. You select the charge head and then you add the details of the storage price line. The next module is local pricing. We can add a new local price here. You select the vendor, the EXIM type, and other details regarding local price. So pricing modules are used further in our next operations, which we are going to go to. That was all from pricing in this video.